So on this F150 that I'm working on is a no crank, no start. Does not have any anti-theft codes and only has this code right here. So a B plus terminal needs to have battery voltage, and the S terminal only has voltage when you have the car cranking. If we have 10 volts and higher at the S terminal when cranking, we could confirm that there is no issue at the relay or fuse or the ignition switch. So we know we need to start at that point. Before we do that, we have to check the crankshaft and spin it and make sure it's not seized up. Also to note down the battery passed on this vehicle.
It's like a B plus terminal to the S terminal.
At that point, we're going to jump power to the S terminal manually. So after doing all this testing, now we know that the signal coming for the ignition switch is good, the battery is good, and we need to start by replacing the starter and then double checking the flywheel.